Hey everybody, well I was at Amelia Island, one of my subscribers and I got to meet, his name is Wesley, and I wanted to do a quick video on why his 1978 280E has a battery drain. I noted that Wesley's car was sitting at the show, looking beautiful by the way, with the battery cable off, the negative battery cable, and so this indicates that there's a battery drain. So why do some Mercedes from the 70s do this? Well, there's a number one cause, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Every single Mercedes 123 that was not a 240D or a 230 built from 1977 to 80 used a climate control servo. Every R107 for the US market from 78 to 81 used a climate control servo, and every W116 chassis built from 1976 to 1980 used a climate control servo. This unit also made its way into some interesting Euro market cars. I understand in Europe if you wanted a 240D with this system you could get it, or if you wanted a 250 or a 280E or a 280 I guess a 280, let's see here. Well, you could get it in everything, except for the 600. So this system has a problem with its servo where the servo motor gets stuck and the amplifier, the climate control amplifier, keeps sending a signal to the motor to keep moving, and the amplifier heats up and it ends up sucking your battery down, and in about 6 or 7 hours you'll have a totally flat battery. So if you're getting this symptom out of your 123, 116, 107 with the climate control servo, go ahead and unplug the climate control servo. There are two blocks of green wires, one with 6 pins and one with 8 pins, and I'm pretty sure it's the one with 6 pins, and see if the drain goes away. If this is the case, there are two ways to address this problem. One, you can open up your servo and unjam the motor and try to repair it. The second one is that you can just buy a new climate control servo. Typically when I'm working in a customer's car, I replace the servo because they tend to have other problems, but if you're your own home mechanic and you don't mind spending the time to do this, you can actually replace the motor. So for more great tech tips on these cars, drop us a line, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you have not gotten your comment answered recently, go back to the wall to the community page, because I have been answering comments from like 3 weeks ago. So I've been on it. And in the meantime, enjoy driving your Mercedes Benz, like, share, and subscribe.